And we first get you the latest on the counting that is underway for the elections to 6 municipal corporations in Gujarat, and the BJP is leading in most of the districts. Polling for the 576 seats in 144 wards across 6 civic bodies, Ahmedabad, Surat, Rajkot, Vadodara, Bhavnagar and Jamnagar, was held on Sunday. The BJP ruled all these civic bodies for the last several terms. The counting of votes that began at 9 a.m. on Tuesday, and BJP is set to sweep the local elections, and Congress seems to be headed for another rout. Aam Aadmi Party has finally opened its account, and I want to cut across to my colleague Priyanka, who's tracking all the details. Priyanka, we stay with those pictures from Ahmedabad. Meanwhile, give us the latest on the numbers and where exactly do all the respective parties stand.
Well, absolutely, Suesha, let us understand that this is a huge victory for Aam Aadmi Party, a huge change in the politics of Gujarat as well, because we are seeing the third front actually making its way in the state of Gujarat, because we have always seen that there has been a political binary between the BJP and the Congress, and there is virtually no other opposition that has existed. But this is the first time there have been regional parties like the Aam Aadmi Party, the BTP, the AIMIM. All of those parties have actually made their debut in the Gujarat elections, in the Gujarat politics, which is actually rather they're laying the groundwork for the next Vidhan Sabha elections as well. So that being taken into consideration, the Aam Aadmi Party has won at least 12 seats as of now in the Surat Municipal Corporation, and Surat is the city where they had been trying to make their mark and get more and more seats as well, because remember, the cadre of the Aam Aadmi Party is also virtually the cadre that was with the PAAS of Hardik Patel as well. All of those people have shifted to Aam Aadmi Party, and now they have won these seats, which is going to be a huge entry for the third front in the Gujarat political atmosphere of it as well, because we will have Aam Aadmi Party, the BTP, the AIMIM as well. There are several seats in Ahmedabad, Surat and Bhavnagar as well, where AIMIM had been leading. But as of now, just a few minutes back, in fact, we have gotten to know that several of the seats like Behrampura in Ahmedabad, where AIMIM had been leading, is now actually won by Congress as well. And the margin of the votes has been virtually close to nothing, because the margin of the votes with which Congress had actually won these seats is up to 60 to 50 votes as well. So these, it's a very cut-to-cut election, which is between the Congress and the regional parties that were trying to make their way in the Gujarat politics, because this is exactly what the BJP had also been saying, that these parties coming into Gujarat is not going to virtually affect them at all. These are parties that are going to cut into the votes of the opposition, which is essentially Congress party here. So the Congress party and these regional parties have been going, have been competing with each other rather in this election, but the BJP virtually has been not been affected with the entry of these parties in the state of Gujarat. However, let us keep this in mind that in 1.5 years from now, there is going to be a Vidhan Sabha election, and this election was being looked at as a litmus test for the current Chief Minister Vijay Rupani, because we had an 8 assembly seats by poll that had been that had taken place, and the campaigning of which had been spearheaded by the BJP chief C.R. Patil. And now the next election that has taken place after those by-polls, which is this Panchayat election and the municipality election, for which the spearheading was done by Vijay Rupani, who is also the current Chief Minister of Gujarat, and who also has a lot to prove for the state of Gujarat as to what he has done in his term as the Chief Minister, and whether or not he will be the face for the next elections as for the BJP, the Chief Minister candidate, will it be Vijay Rupani or not? So all of these factors will be taken into consideration, and probably an hour from now, we will have the proper results of all these elections of the 6 cities, municipalities. But of course, Panchayat elections are also going to be just as telling, and they're going to be taking place in 1 or 2 days from now, where after which the picture will be exactly clear as to which party is making way in the state of Gujarat politically.